Sir, meeting झालेली.
So what exactly the meeting was?
The meeting was regarding a review meeting as far as Honorable Jetty is concerned.
This Jetty has been a long pending issue. So finally it will be clear. Or can open the delivery?
Open will be within a month's time. So by 1st December, as Honorable Minister has already said, we have fixed basically a deadline for it. So 1st December, everything will be put in place.
And what are the facilities like about to and fro or decide kala?
No, all facilities. See, you ask the tourism director of tourism will basically give you a clear picture of the facilities which will be available.
गाड्यावाल्यास बा आपण ते सेम असतं रे
गाडी नाही रे, गाडी म्हणजे
दाखते ते शॉप आले पाहिजे.
Pure silk. We better be more polished. Pure silk. There's no guidance.
So what happened to that?
Everything will be in place, I said. By 1st of December, things will be in place.
Sir, recently there was a direction on the High Court regarding that vehicle arrangement from Circle to Jetty.
We have reviewed that direction from the High Court. The petitioners also were called. So we had a clear discussion and clear direction also was given. We are going as per the direction of the High Court.